Hey, how you doing? Sean with Sean's Outdoor Journeys coming to you with another great product. This one is another 12-volt cordless fillet knife, okay? This is from DURATECH. Pretty cool. We have tried other ones. This is the newest one from DURATECH. And what this is a USB plug-in model as opposed to the batteries that normally slide into them. So it's really cool, very ergonomically, fits right into your hand, real lightweight. Again, comes with two blades, your 8-inch as well as a 10-inch blade that's here. So the most important thing that we're going to do is we're going to try it on fish. We were out today, caught a bunch of fish, and now we're going to fillet them because that's where the test is. But what I did was out on the boat, I was actually using it to cut bait up. And a lot of stuff that we bring is from our freezers. So it's frozen. So we were able to just chop right through it and, get ourselves some cut bait that we could use along the day. Stay tuned. We will have a lot of key features about this DURATECH fillet knife, okay? So let's take it to the fillet table and start filleting some fish. Okay, so we have a couple white grunts here, which we'll try this fillet knife on. And take it right along the backbone. As you can see, that worked real well. Same thing. And there you go, two real nice fillets came off of it. So all we normally do is just cut them over, knock out the rib cage on the fillets, which right out of the box, this thing is super, super sharp. That's on here. That's why we like fillets, nothing left on the skin. And we'll bring that over. Pretty good. We like to see the skin transparent, and that's what we have. In the box, you'll find DURATECH Cordless Electric Fillet Knife, 2 interchangeable blades, a USB charging cable, and a convenient storage case to keep everything organized and ready for your next fishing trip. This kit includes both an 8-inch and 10-inch razor-sharp blade, giving you the flexibility to handle a variety of fish sizes. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides a comfortable, secure grip while filleting. The built-in 2.0 amp-hour battery recharges using the included USB cable. Simply plug it into a power bank, wall adapter, or vehicle USB port, and you'll be ready for your next day on the water.